This is Brianna with Advantage Heating, and I'm here to tell you about one of the best kept secrets in our industry and here at Advantage. Now, you may have heard of a VIP getting backstage access to your favorite band, or cutting the line and getting exclusive deals or exclusive this and that because you're a VIP. Well, at Advantage, we have a VIP club membership that has exclusive deals like $100 towards system replacement every year, or lifetime parts guarantee on most parts we install. But what I'd like to tell you is our secret of why we have that. Now, most people don't know that manufacturers, their warranties are actually invalid without regular maintenance. And they may promise you that it will last X amount of years, but without regular maintenance, your system won't, because regular maintenance is incredibly important and incredibly vital for your home comfort system. So at Advantage, we designed the VIP Club, and this gets you a heating tune-up before the winter and a cooling tune-up before the summer, so that you can be rest assured and have peace of mind that we'll catch any big issues before they come, and we'll get you discounts and a lifetime parts warranty and so on those issues, and not charge you for the overtime. But also, as we come out consistently and regularly, you will have peace of mind knowing that your system is being taken care of. You may even notice it on your utility bills. So if you'd like to be a VIP, have all these perks for only $14 a month, please give us a call, because it's really incredible, and we'd love to invite you into the VIP Club membership family today. 503-COOL 911 or 503-393-HEAT.